Hey everyone, this is Anurag Ray from PestRemovalWarrior.com, and in this video I'm going to talk about will lizards eat baby birds. Now before we continue this video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so that you can receive updates about my video when it is uploaded. Now there are different kind of lizards out there and different kind of birds. Usually baby birds are small in size, and there are also small birds out there who have much smaller birds, baby birds. But in general, even if the big birds, babies are also really small. So in general, you will consider that the babies are really small, and there are different kind of lizards. Some of them are big and some of them are small. And as you know, big lizards can be really fierce. Now, small lizards like home geckos or this kind of lizards actually doesn't kill the baby birds because they're much bigger than the size, and they don't need them. They are satisfied with the insects. So they don't need baby birds. But there are different kind of lizards out there that, which I say as a bigger lizards like monitor lizard, like Komodo dragon. They are hunters and they are really scary, and they can actually eat baby birds because they have a big appetite. They have to eat those different kind of foods, and their appetite is much bigger than the smaller lizard. So have to eat a much bigger amount of food. So if they get a baby bird nearby or somewhere in the region, they will try to get that. Now, Komodo dragon are not really great climbers. However, monitor lizards can climb the trees. So if the parents of those birds are not over there, and since they are small, they cannot even protect themselves by any way, then this monitor lizard can climb the tree and can eat the baby birds. Along with the baby birds, they can also eat their eggs. This is a very big thing. I mean, so because of this very reason, the birds actually lays their eggs in a place where they can be isolated and cannot be targeted by predators. But as I mentioned before, these mud lizards can climb trees and can also smell really well. So they can identify where the lizard is and where the baby birds is, and they can definitely find a way to get over there. So if they get over there, then the game is over until and unless their parents intervene and get rid of the monitor lizards. Now, all kind of birds cannot fight against monitor lizards because they are big and they can actually kill the adult birds also. But there are other birds like eagles. There are other birds that can actually fight against the monitor lizard and fend them off, but not everyone can. So for them, even if they make their nest at a much high altitude or in a place where they think the monitor lizard or any other lizard won't be able to reach there, it won't be really helpful to them because once they reach there, they cannot even protect themselves because the only thing that can come in benefit is their altitude and the location that they are selecting. Monitor lizard cannot climb in every single place. They are just good climbers, but that doesn't mean that they can climb everywhere. But if the bird is not careful and if there is monitor lizards over there, and if they manage just place the eggs and keep them on the tree, then there are chances that the monitor lizard might be able to climb the tree and can eat the eggs. Now, if the bird falls down, if any baby birds, which occurs quite frequently, falls down from the tree, and then it's a game over for the bird because they are fast and they will leave no chance for the mother to even protect them. They will immediately grab the baby bird and will go away from that place. And there are different kind of lizards out there, like I mentioned, but you don't really have to be scared of the home geckos. I mean, the home geckos are not really that big and cannot actually attack and kill these baby birds also. Instead, they can be the food of the adult bird, whomsoever the baby belongs to, because they can actually kill the small lizards. But for big lizards, even medium-sized lizards, they can become a threat to the bird eggs. And since the parents of those birds are not really all present around the nest all the time, because they also have to go out and hunt and have to feed their baby and have to feed themselves, there can be a lot of opportunities for this lizard to actually go over there and start hunting. So that's why it's really painful, but it's really the thing of the nature, because you cannot actually predict where the lizard will attack all the time, because they are quite intelligent along with the good climbers. So it's really hard to say when they are going to attack and when they are going to get to the nest. And if they get to the nest, apart from big birds, it's really quite difficult for any other birds to get rid of them. Now, when a monitor lizard or Komodo dragon attacks, in case of a Komodo dragon especially, they can be a lot amount of Komodo dragons in a particular place, and all of them might try to get a hand on those birds, and the birds can be covered by Komodo dragons all around the place, and it can be really challenging because if they keep on trying and by some reason, out of fear, for some reason, the baby birds falls down, then definitely they can the Komodo dragon can eat the birds, baby birds especially. Now, if even the bigger bird somehow loses its balance and falls down, then they cannot fight against so many Komodo dragon and can also be eaten by the Komodo dragon. So, Komodo dragon is a very difficult and very powerful foe, and the birds are quite careful about them also. So that's why they try to make their nest in a place where they won't be seen by these dragons and also by other predators, although it's not always successful. Now, normally not all lizards, like I mentioned before, is this kind of birds, but they usually keep their nest in a much higher place, and they can actually because other predators can also attack them. Because of that very reason, they also make the nest at a much higher altitude. Now, if you have a pet, let's say lizard in your house, like a tegu or a monitor lizard or a Komodo dragon, usually, then they can also eat baby chickens, and they can also eat baby birds. So you can many people actually live feed them, and they can feed them this kind of birds because they are good for them. They have rich in protein, and these animals, these reptiles actually likes to eat this kind of birds, so they obviously are easy to eat and provide a lot of protein to them. So many lizards actually eat this kind of birds, especially the big ones. So people who have them as pet actually feed them, and that's just do it because they want their pet to survive. And these birds are actually found from the nearby places or are usually dead most of the time. They feed them the dead bird, not the live ones, but sometimes we also feed the live ones also. Now, if the baby chickens or any kind of baby birds get inside the cage of a Komodo dragon or a monitor lizard, there is no chance that it's going to survive, because it's going to attack anyone that they seems fit, and can attack anyone that seems smaller than them. They can attack anyone, and that can be dangerous even for even for adult birds. So if adult birds cannot stay a chance against this kind of lizards, I don't think there is any way that these small baby birds can actually stand a chance against all this kind of big lizards. So I hope this answers your question. The main thing about this is, yes, the lizards, big lizards especially, actually is baby chicks, baby birds, and can also try to hunt them actively if they can find them in the wild. But in general, when they are kept as a pet, they often feed the lizards with this kind of birds, small birds, like the baby chicken especially, and they consume it without any hesitation. They can be live fed, or you can also feed them dead. So both of them are actually done to them. Some of those birds are even refrigerated, and after a few days or even months after they are dead, they are actually fed to the lizards, and they eat it without hesitation. So the answer is yes, of course. And if you find something helpful from this video, and if you really enjoyed the video, don't forget to click on the like, comment, and subscribe button. And I upload 2 videos every single week, that is on Monday and Friday. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and notification bell. Thank you.